Yechisemi imeye kaunti ya Kisii ni gobono abaigeria na bwigo abakori emeremo be university ya Kisii banyareko babakobwatana amuna abakori emeremo na bwigo abaigeria bande imeyense ya Kenya ase ogochaka omugiro bwa emeremo bagokora munegeta Serikali Ndizi TV bakoragwa amono muriki omonene bwe kyombe kya soro sagiarwa Kisii and Nyamira George na bwigo Moses Nyandusi ni gobono banyareko baba yamochia serikali sikali batebire etaranyara ko bage guikirania okobwatana kwa bokoreri okokwanya tukoba gukobekwa SU mwaka w'ikirubere emerongo eberene yamo wikira kirubere merongo ebere na inye korengana nabarabo nigo batebire nk'abakori emerema Chuo University nabo bayigeria nigo bare ababwatana abakoreri be serikali buna bande bonse abobwenete kuba bagwikiranirwa amaganyo abo nonye nabo nigo boigo banyareko bakoyomochia omoroberio omuya bogosira chisemi anene ase university ase batebire nigo genda tokobago koreta okobagakana ogotindi anene egati yaborokiwa.
Today we gather here to express our collective frustration and demand action on the issues that have affected us for too long. One, the 2021-2025 Collective Bargaining Agreement CBA, National CBA. We call upon the Cabinet Secretary for Education, Mr. Migosi Ogamba, to urgently address the delayed negotiations of the 2021-2025 CBA. Our expectations for the improved terms and conditions have met with unnecessary delays. We urge the national leadership to intervene and resolve this stalemate. Number two, funding model. The proposed funding model is concerning, as it fails to outline how salaries for staff will be sustained. A funding model that does not prioritize staff welfare is not viable. We demand a clear plan on how salaries will be paid under this new structure. Number three is pension remittances. We appreciate the effort made by the Vice Chancellor in clearing long-standing pension arrears. However, there are still delays in remittance of current contributions, which puts our members' financial futures at risk.
Today, we express our disappointment and our frustrations. For far too long, we have been taken for granted. The government has been given a notice to make sure they negotiate, recheck and implement our CBA 2021-2025. They have failed to do that. That is why in the WASU fraternity, coupled with what our friends from Kutoka have said, we withdraw our labor until somebody has sense to make sure that dons are taken seriously. University workers must be taken seriously.
I stand here as a frustrated don who has used a lot of money to be where I am. The government is taking us in circles, and we as the dons, we have now down